All right. So here's the reference of what we are actually going to create. So we're going to create these two circles that looks, I don't know, somewhat like planets or whatever. And you're going to create that. And then you're going to do some masking. We're going to make this all happen. Now, that may look more complicated than it actually is. And that's what I'm here to show you. So let's turn off my reference. And you can see it's just a bunch of images that we have here. So I'm going to actually turn all those off for right now. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab my elliptical marquee, and I'm just going to make two circles. I'm going to take all of these groups, or all of these, and group them, and then I'm going to use this as my mask. Now you can see nothing happened because I don't have any of the images actually turned on, so let's turn on these images. So you can see they're all loaded inside of here, but let's do some interesting things with them. So in this case here, I actually don't want it to be over here. So we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to make a selection in here and say mask. And you can see it got rid of that's over there. I could also use a brush to do that, but this way is faster. So we have this. I'm going to put a mask on this. We're just going to get our regular feathered brush here. And let's get rid of some of this here. And let's get rid of that over there. This is looking pretty good. I like that. Let's see what we can do over here. Now, in this case, I'm going to put a mask on this, and I'm actually going to get rid of all the stuff over in this circle. I like what's happening here. Not going to touch that. Let's move this one around inside of this here. And we're just going to mask some of this bottom out. There we go. Now this image is already set to lighter color, so that would be normal at 100%. But I want to do lighter color, wherever that is, lighter color, there we go, lighter color, and I'm just going to drag this down to 50%. So now what you have is you have kind of a mocked up imagery that has these kind of spacey elements, and which is kind of cool. But I want to add just a little bit of effect to it. Just to see that you can add other layers inside of this. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new layer, and I'm going to fill it completely with black. Now you may say, whoa, I took away all our stuff. Here's what I'm going to do. Put a mask on this. We're going to get this a little bit smaller than here, and I'm just going to click. I'm going to switch my opacity to 50%, and I'm going to click a couple times inside here until I'm happy with the darkening effect on the outside. You can go further, but I'm just showing you as an example of things you can do here. Let's make now this smaller. Hit it a couple times, and there we go. And then that's how you can kind of create these mocked up images. You can see it's being grouped completely by these two circles, and everything else I can do other masks and other things to them inside of that group.